Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose. It is Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor and educator. So today what we're going to do is talk about something that I've wanted to talk about in a previous episode. That's going to be question everything, even me. So there's a lot of information out there on cryptos and NFTs. And the goal for this channel is I want you to take in information, process it, and then come up with your own decisions. So for example, if I have a video and, I'm talking about cornucopias or, we're talking about XRP, don't just go out and buy anything, right? I'm never going to tell you to just buy something. Maybe I will do a slight suggestion, but I want you to question everything. So you need to be able to build a mindset where when you hear information, you can like cross-examine it according to experience and all the other projects that you've seen. So for example, because I've seen so much happen, I've seen, for example, Dogecoin go to, a few dollars after being less than a penny. I've seen the collapse of FTX. I've seen, Terra Luna collapse. I remember when Bitcoin hit $1,000 for the first time, right? And I didn't necessarily own very much crypto then, but now I can look at things, see them come, and then I can say to myself, oh, well, this doesn't make sense because of this. Like, what I'm getting at is you need to question everything and don't just take someone's word for it, okay? So let's take a look at the market cap. Today we are February 19th. It's pretty late for me, but I wanted to get another video in for you all just to experience crypto. We also are running a sale on our courses. So before I get into this even further, we have, if you use coupon code Moose is Loose, we'll have links for you. It will be embedded, but we got our 10-day, our crypto investing for beginners and our NFT for beginners. If you want to learn, these are great courses that you can take on your own time. It's 24 bucks Canadian. But anyways, what I wanted to get at was that you're going to see a lot of news in the crypto space. So what I'm going to do is just Google crypto. So we'll do that again. And what you're going to notice, for example, is Terra founder Do Kwon charged with fraud over its 50 billion crash. You're going to see things like this. Around 25% of new crypto tokens look like pump and dump schemes, all that. Charlie Munger, who's very old, he calls crypto the S word. I'm not proud of my country for allowing this crap. He's old, right? But if you were to just take what Charlie Munger says, you wouldn't even be involved in the crypto. You would probably be closed-minded to it. But not to say that he's wrong. He's clearly an incredible investor. Grew up with Warren Buffett and did all those things with Berkshire. But the point is that you're going to experience and see different headlines. You're going to hear different things. And it comes down to what do you believe. But you should question everything. Just because you see something in the headlines, because everybody's talking about something, it doesn't matter. It matters short term, but long term, what matters, right? Like, are we going up in price or are we going down? You need to make those decisions. So at the end of the day, for example, a quick test for you. If you had $100, where would you put that $100? For me, I already know Bitcoin, ADA, ETH is pretty good, but I'm really liking Matic. I mean, these are three good picks actually right away. Bitcoin, ADA, Matic, so for example, I could do 33% in each. So $30 or $33 in each. And that's just kind of my game plan. But that's based off of what I understand, what makes sense to me, right? So you want to invest in what you understand. You want to question everything. I'm still researching Matic. Are the partnerships even real with Disney and Nike, right? I know they are, but, question these things because at the end of the day, you cannot just believe everything that's being said to you, right? You want to be, Jim Rohn said it, you want to be the gatekeeper to the door of your brain. So, at the end of the day, be careful what you let in, right? And ultimately, I hope you all trust me and you understand that I have your best interest, which I do. But also, question me, question everybody else that you see. There's a lot of good people on YouTube you can watch. Dap Central, incredible. He's not going to lie to you. I do like Crypto Crow a lot. BitBoy, I think he's fine. But Crypto Crow's legit. So Crypto Crow, if you ever want to do a video with me, let me know. But yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. Doesn't need to be more than 6-7 minutes, today's episode. But yeah, check out, we have links in the description below. That's a good example. If you take an online course that I built, you're going to save so much time, and you're going to build like a knowledge base so that when a project comes up, you can identify it and go, whoa, something's off there. That's not what's real, right? You're going to be able to look at things differently, right? You need to build that crypto mindset. Okay. So that's all I wanted to remind you. Question everybody and everything. A lot of things are a scam. Things are just made up. We'll see you in the next one.